I've been riding on a daydream.
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out RV Daydream, and today we're going to make a homecoming happen. So today is really nice. We were right around almost 70 degrees today, and yeah, it was sweet. Wonder what happened here. That's all scratched up. Somebody, he bumped into something. He backed into something, or somebody backed into him. One or the other. I'll tell you, that kid. We got to work on this. Anyways, yeah, we got gravel. So that's going to allow us to bring home our RV. And once we got this gravel for the turnaround, we were like, the rest of the drive looks horrible. So we're going to call the guy and tell him to come bring us another 10 tons. Because initially we were just going to do the turnaround and a pad for, for the RV to sit in. But once we got it, it just doesn't make any sense for us not to do the rest of the driveway, because it's not very expensive. As far as everything that they did here and then this extra that they had left over, it's only a couple $100. So, and that'll give us less mud to deal with here. So anyways, you can see that I got the drop shank on there, that rattly thing that I got the anti-rattle clip on. And we're going to go pick up the RV, which is really, really sweet. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the old one to come home so we can start getting cleaned up and ready to sell. Heidi's going to move our son's van, and we'll go get the RV. So here it is. It's home for the whole winter. It's just been stuck. Oh, feral cat. Get it. Get the kitty. Anyways, yeah, we're taking it out of here. There's no sense in it being here anymore. So let's hook up and get on out.
So the last time we're gonna get to tow the camper, or the last time we're towing the camper. Definitely needs a good scrubbing so we can get it up for sale. Have anything to say, sir?
Yeah, it's nice pulling this nice light RV.
Oh, you act like the new one's gonna struggle.
Yeah, well, it ain't gonna struggle necessarily with the new one. It's just, this is like pulling hardly anything. I mean, the truck is definitely easily able to pull twice what this one weighs. So
Our new one's not twice.
no, twice. You definitely pull twice with that one.
No, I said our new one don't weigh twice.
When it's fully loaded, it's close.
Is it?
Yeah. If we got that heavy, I don't know why we'd get that heavy though. I mean, that's a lot. That's over 2,000 pounds of water and luggage and cargo and whatever else. I forgot how nice the brake controller was in this thing. Oh yeah, and the new one, when we get the new RV, I forgot, we can do a
Tow haul?
trailer reverse guidance. I can put that sticker on the tongue.
Oh yeah.
And it can guide me on to where I'm backing up. Not that I need it.
No, you don't. I might need it.
Yeah, you might need it if you have to back up. But boy, it's sure nice getting that out of storage. We got to contact them on Monday, so
She don't ask you for another
$50, which
Plus
that
you
is
get-
so reasonable.
Don't you have a deposit too?
I don't know, maybe, but that's really reasonable. That, I mean, $50.
Right.
I mean, it was secure and
It's actually $25 a spot.
right.
We had two.
Right, because we couldn't have. Well, we could have, but then we would have potentially been stuck.
Right.
So yeah, the only reason that we can do this is because of getting this gravel on the driveway, which we went ahead and called him and told him to bring another 10 ton and just finish it out. You know, do the whole driveway. And we got a lot of work to do on this RV, and we still haven't heard from the dealer. So maybe next week, maybe we should give him a call midweek if we don't hear from him, just to see what he has to say.
Yeah, because it'd be nice if I could go up on my day off.
I ain't going up there by myself. But I want to go up and go through the RV, hear what they have to say. I'm sure that, you know, they've been selling Rockwoods for a while. I'm sure they got a little routine.
Spiel.
Yeah. But yeah, it's awful nice. This truck, there is no learning curve or anything as far as towing.
How are you getting in the driveway coming from this way?
I got to swing out and pull in. I mean, I could go around the whole block, but I think they'll get the hint. The better. There's nobody behind me. That's why I was trying to kind of follow this car. So yeah, we're going to swing this in the drive. I got to disconnect the weight distribution bars, and then I got to manipulate it without going into the backyard, which I've never done that before. However, I've never had gravel in that area either, so it'll make it easier that I don't have to
on the right.
voice command.
Say a command.
Stop.
Route cancel.
I didn't even start a route. It started a route on its own.
Because as soon as I opened the door, she wanted to know.
Well, you don't say anything.
I didn't.
Then you say cancel.
And then I got back in. She said, pick a category.
Just to let you know, in Ohio, they're pushing, at least in this area, real hard to click it or ticket. And they've let everybody know that they're looking for every reason possible to pull somebody over, so they can check for the seatbelt. And it's probably because we've had a slew of accidents in this area just recently. Look at all the water coming off the roof, out of the awning. That's all out of the awning. Damn it, the awning's been holding all that water for all this time. You put your head back.
Yeah.
I want to catch it anyways.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit. Okay. Alrighty, let's go dork around and get it where it belongs.
Is it off the road?
It's off the road.
Okay, you're going to take...
Okay, so Heidi's happy because her little home is back home. Her little home away from home is back home. And this RV smells good inside here. It smells really good, which we try to keep it really clean. And I thought, though, we might have a little bit of a smell in it, but no way, no how. It's good.
smells clean.
Yeah, can you open the vent in the bathroom all the way? Man, the awning needs scrubbed bad. There's so much water in it. But yeah, we got it tucked in, back in its spot. The gravel mashed down just like the guy had said, because when he first poured it, I said, man, it looks awful tall. And he says, oh no, it'll pack and lock in really good. He says it'll settle in nicely. I did have to drive in the backyard though, to get it in its spot. So when we get this new RV, you can still see that I have some room in the back that will allow some length, but it won't allow, I don't think it's going to allow me to go back another, maybe I can only go back 2 foot here, and the new RV is roughly 5 foot longer, so that means we'll have to move it out 3 foot here, of course.
That'll be okay.
Which is fine. It's just we have to wait until the gravel's poured.
You won't be parking here.
Yeah, maybe not, but yeah, this thing is filthy. It's really filthy. So you guys, you know the deal. We're gonna make this all spick and span, cleaned up, shined up. When we get the new RV, we're gonna decide if we're gonna trade anything off. The more I see this one, the more I think I'm just gonna set this up the way that it used to be, all except for maybe the batteries. I think I'm gonna probably put the lead acid battery back on the tongue and just go from there, because I don't know if I want to mess with this jack, although I was already telling Heidi how much I like the jack. Again, this Husky 4500 jack. I did a review on this before. I'll put a card up above here if you want to click and check that out. It's just a very nice jack. It's got a real nice ball bearing spiral or helical design that allows it to put a lot of friction across the large area to keep the temperature down and lift quite a bit. So it's back, it's plugged in. We're probably not going to de-winterize it quite yet because it's Ohio, and we actually have the potential for 1 to 2 inches of snow next Friday that's coming up, and it changes though, you know, all the time. That's one thing that I didn't miss from the summer is we got mosquitoes out already today, but hopefully a cold snap will come through and knock them dead. So we're going to close it out. We're back at home. The RV's back at home. We're getting a little bit closer to the way it should be, and Heidi will close out.
As always, hope to see you out there.
Bye.
Bye.